Hi everybody, it's Robert at MySchoolYear.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use the bulk delete feature in the Tools section of lesson plans. This tool can quickly remove many lessons at one time. This might be necessary due to curriculum change or perhaps unintentional use of the Create Plan generator. Whatever your situation might be, let's get started. I am in William's geometry class, and I use Create Plan to generate all of my lessons for this class. However, I have decided to change curriculum, so I want to remove all the remaining incomplete lessons. Let's click on the To Do filter, and I see that I would need to delete 21 lessons. This might take too long clicking each one individually, so I'm going to use the bulk delete tool instead. I click the Tools button and then click the Bulk Delete button. A variety of search criteria appears in order to help select the particular set of lesson plans that need to be deleted. I have the option to search by lesson name, completion status, dates, grade type, and date range. Since I only want to delete incomplete lessons, I make the appropriate search selection and click the Preview button. My remaining lessons now appear. Please notice that I can keep any lesson I do not want to delete, but in this case, I need to delete all of my remaining lessons. I scroll to the bottom of the page, I click the red Delete button, and then click OK in the confirmation pop-ups, and the screen will refresh. Let's check out our delete. I click on the To Do filter, and all my remaining lessons have been removed. As you can see, Bulk Delete is a powerful tool that easily allows you to search and remove multiple lessons at once with just a few simple clicks. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing MySchoolYear.com.